Hello, aloha, bonjour, hola, shalom. My name is Linda Shelton, and today we're going to be discussing 16 weeks of weight loss journey with Ozempic. Now, Ozempic has been a wonderful medication for me. With Ozempic, I've been able to maintain my weight loss, and I've also been able to lower my blood sugar. And that was the main reason why I ended up getting on Ozempic. Now, with that being said, some people only use Ozempic for weight loss, and those people tend to be on much higher dosages than I am. I started out with 0.25 and increased to 0.50. Now at 0.50, I've been able to maintain and reduce my blood sugars at that level. Now, in a couple weeks, I will be back to see my doctor and we'll reassess that situation at that point. I will report that later. And by the way, if you haven't already, consider joining the tribe. I love my subscribers. Right now, I am trying to get to the 1,000 mark of subscribers. So please help me out. That would be a great deal. Also give it the big thumbs up because that helps it push it out to more people. Now back to my weight loss story in Ozempic. Now I have been on Ozempic for 16 weeks and have to tell you a little bit of what happened to me, why you haven't seen me doing weight loss or my Ozempic videos for a little while, or any videos right now. I was moving, as you can see, my background has changed. I've moved into a little bit bigger place, different location, just a breath of fresh air. I was so excited. I had movers to move my stuff from one location to another location, and there were a couple of boxes that I didn't want anybody dealing with because that was for me to deal with. And with that being said, I needed to take these and put them in my closet so no one has access to it. Some of them had like my tennis bracelets, things of value to me. Now, I moved those boxes, and I got to one of the boxes and I was standing on the curb. It was a little bit larger box, and I was on the curb and I slipped and injured my knee. So I had such excruciating pain. I called it a day, went back to my other place, and the next day it was even worse. So in a couple of days, because this was over a weekend, like Monday, I went to the doctor, and the doctor said, they did all the x-rays, and then they did an MRI, they basically said I had a sprung knee. And I was like, okay. And she's like, so that's good. Nothing's injured, doesn't appear to be injured. If you continue to have pain, come back. But this is what I'm diagnosing you with. So I'm like, okay, fine. And so in the meantime, for a now going on 3 weeks, I'm just now starting to be able to stay on my legs for a long period of time, to be able to walk normally. Because before I was like limping, really couldn't walk it was just painful. And so now I'm doing a lot better, thank God. And but on my weight loss, I've still maintained about 30 pounds lost. And part of that is because I was supposed to be ramping up to exercise. And of course, with my sprung knee, I really couldn't. I'm even questionable if I can right now without it just starting to be very painful. But I'm going to gradually walk into that. Part of my weight loss journey is to control my diabetes, get back healthy, get back strong. And Ozempic has helped me accomplish some of those goals. Of course, I want more weight loss. I'm still way overweight. And, anybody that is struggling with weight loss, if you're struggling with keeping your numbers, if you have diabetes, to get your type 2 diabetes and struggling to get your weight down, this is a medication that, you need to be forwarding this to your friends, your family, anyone that is having the issues that I'm having. And I know I'm not alone. The doctor, and I've read the statistics, there's over 590 plus million people that has diabetes. So if I can touch any of those people, and they need to talk to their doctors and say, hey, maybe Ozempic will work for me, and see, because not everybody can take the medication, I'm pretty sure, due to other health problems that they have. I'm just thankful that I was able to, and it has changed my life. I'm very energetic. I do a lot, feel a lot better than I have in years. So I just want to, say anybody that this has been a game changer for me, and I know I'm not alone. So if it's been a game changer for me, just think about your cousin, your friend, your mother or father, or anybody that could have the diabetes or need to lose weight, that you can pass this video on to them. So I just want to thank you for joining and continuing to monitor or continuing to watch my videos. I thank the most of my subscribers. I do appreciate it. Everyone that watches my video, I am very thankful. Very, very thankful. I'm trying to get to that 1,000 subscriber mark. So please help me out and subscribe. Please give us the big thumbs up. I appreciate you for watching my video. Until the next video, peace.